Hi sweet people, I have been thinking about how I can make my videos as helpful and relevant to you guys as possible, as I want you to be a natural part of this channel and feel like it is a place where you can be a part of a positive and inspiring community on your journey towards inner peace and happiness. So I have decided to take video requests from you guys, so that if there are some specific topics you want me to make a meditation on, you have the chance to let me know, and then maybe I will pick your request for an upcoming video. So please leave a comment writing request followed by the topic you want me to cover. Please leave a name in your comment if you want me to mention your name in the video. Otherwise, leave it out or write anonymous. There will not be any specific day for these requested videos, so you simply have to watch out for them and see if your topic has been chosen. So look out for thumbnails with this viewer request icon. I truly hope you will find this helpful, as I want you to feel heard and seen on this channel, as it is supposed to be a community of love and kindness, and a place to grow, as we are all on this journey together. So let me know what type of meditation you would find helpful, and then leave your ideas and requests in the comments field below. Have the most beautiful day. Namaste.